Hello guys, welcome to my show once again. My name is Samoa. What I do for fun or at leisure time, I fix computers. Now, if you have a problem with your computer that do not turn on, there are so many ways you can actually fix it. Easy fix. So this here, I have a 2011 MacBook Pro, and I said now it doesn't turn on. So what you can do, there's so many options. You can actually try to turn it on without plugging in. Wait for 10 seconds. Then actually have to plug this in. Someone help me out plug it. See, all right, the light's on, so it doesn't turn on right now. So I take it back, take it off. Same procedure for 10 seconds, and use this the mouse button for 60 seconds. All right, see, still doesn't work. Then we have to actually open the laptop. So, to save time, I already unscrew some. I'm gonna screw the back. It's gonna take a while. Yeah, this is not a tool to use, but this is what I have right now. Yeah. Also, you can use this method to actually fix charges that do not actually work, or you have sometimes a green light dim color at this spot. I'll show you how it's done. You can actually, so when you have a problem like that, you should actually connect your charger this way and not that way. I see a lot of people doing this way. You should not do it that way. You plug it in again. Right now it's fixed. You just have to push this side up. You hear a click. Make sure you hear a click, and the lights will actually turn green. But this is not my problem right now. But yeah, I have two more screens to take off. Tighten this up. Oh yeah. All right, welcome back. It's open right now. If you really, sometimes the first thing to check is where this green cartridge is. It's called the memory. This is where the memory is. You have to be careful because all this motherboard has to be, taken care of and not mess it up. So do you see this clips right here? You open it, it will pop up. You can take it out, wipe it. My use is 2, and this is actually a 16 gig. What that means, one contain 8 GB each. You can also take the bottom one, it clicks. You don't need to take it out right now, or you can pull it out, clean it, and carefully put it in. You just slot it in the spot like this and push it, and you gotta be careful. While I was doing that, you put it on. If it doesn't work, then you try your battery. Now, in taking your battery, it has so many screws on it. You take the screws out first. Carefully do that. Yeah. Carefully do that, and you hold this. Just be careful. You pull it out gently. Yeah. Then this connective part, You pull it out. Make sure you don't actually pick it up. Yep. So mostly the problem comes from the battery, right? So you can connect your charger back in and see without a battery it should work. So you can take it up and listen to sound, especially when the fan runs. Yes. If you hear a sound, you see it turns on, then boom, it works. So that tells you your battery is the problem. So sometimes it's just deady. So this connecting part, there is a metal connector to this one. You just get a swab or tissue, you wipe it out. It's advisable to use alcohol to clean it and make it dry. Wait for some few seconds. And you put it back. And put it in back, the same procedure, alright? Sorry, so you first actually connect it like that. And you put it on. So, we'll connect it first then. Yep. Make sure it's set so it doesn't worry about. Alright, you should be good. And you put your screws back on. Oh, take the battery off. And you can actually test that it should work right now before you can put your cover on. But be careful also out there, because this motherboard is really sensitive. So you can just put your arm behind and try the power button. Oh, one thing is, yeah, it works. Then you put your charger back on. Let it load first, then put your charger back on. Then you fix it. So it's really, really very simple. If you have any question, subscribe and also like my page. I'll also be posting more videos on fixing any kind of laptop problems or electronic. My next video will be fixing an iPhone, replacing the screen, and that'll be simple. All right, ciao, ciao, guys.